Artificial intelligence, AI, shows promise in alleviating supply chain challenges, but it's not a complete solution. As the holiday shipping season approaches, nascent AI-driven processes will be put to the test. However, human expertise, complemented by intelligent robotics, planning, and analytics, remains crucial for success. The most vulnerable aspect of today's strained supply chains is the shortage of skilled workers. While economic conditions may temporarily ease acute labor shortages, they could still hinder companies' ability to handle large volumes of goods and provide on-demand services. According to a survey by MHI, a supply chain industry trade association, skills gaps in supply chains are the primary concern for 57% of the 2,000 participating supply chain executives. Demand for tech-focused supply chain talent has surged due to disruptions in global trade. Kelton Kosick, head of supply chain at Where2Go, a UPS company, notes that factors like an aging workforce, shutdowns, and unmet demand have exacerbated skills gaps for companies. The labor shortage leads to increased costs and operational challenges for companies reliant on supply chains, impacting their profitability and brand loyalty, warns Kosick. This shortage of talent will be particularly evident during peak shipping seasons like Amazon Prime Days, Cyber Monday, and holiday sales events. Key sectors experiencing labor shortages include transportation and logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare, notes Lan, Vicky Luo, assistant professor of supply chain management at the University of Hartford. This scarcity isn't just about a lack of workers. It's also a shortage of workers with specific skill sets, exacerbated by a growing demand from consumers. The surge in online ordering during the pandemic has become a persistent habit, necessitating the shipment of goods and the availability of drivers.